Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is inspire. It is pronounced inspire, and it is spelt I-N-S-P-I-R-E. Think ins and then pire. Inspire has two meanings. First is to fill someone with the urge or ability to do or feel something, especially to do something creative. The second is usually used to show when someone is breathing in air or inhaling. So here's an example of the first definition. My mum inspires me. Your mum inspires you to do something maybe, or to feel something. And the second meaning is this. He inspired the oxygen. There, that means he was breathing in the oxygen. The word inspire comes from the Latin word inspirare, meaning to inflame or to blow into. When you inspire something, it is as if you are blowing air over a low flame to make it grow a bit. When we do that, the flame gets bigger. We inspire the flame in a way. So when you inspire someone, you are also the cause of their growth, their action. So here you might be able to see a bit of a connection between how we use it now and how it was used back in the old Latin way. Many people can be inspiring. Who do you look up to? Maybe it's a celebrity or a sports person, or it could even be your mum and dad. Lots of films and books can also be inspired by real events or people. For example, you might have seen the Disney movie Oliver and Company. Now, this movie is inspired by Charles Dickens's novel Oliver. The only difference there is Charles Dickens's novel Oliver's set in London, and the Oliver and Company Disney movie is set in New York. Another small difference is that Oliver and Company is about cats and dogs, whereas Charles Dickens's Oliver is about real people. But the plot line is very, very similar, and one is an inspiration of the other. The Percy Jackson series was also inspired by the ancient Greek mythology. If you don't know what mythology means, by the way, give our previous episode a listen. Inspire is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, she was inspired to start running by the Olympic athletes. Inspire is defined in the dictionary as to make someone feel that they want to do something, and they can do it. Inspire synonyms include stimulate, motivate, cause, incline, persuade, encourage, influence, rouse, move, and stir. Antonyms include uninspiring, dull, boring, calm, deaden, depress, discourage, dissuade, halt. See if you can notice anyone inspirational today. It could be a friend at school or perhaps a loving family member. Either way, impress them by telling them that they inspire you. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.